Hello everyone, welcome to Vajiram and Ravi's Data Story, your one-stop solution for value addition and data understanding. In today's session, we will be continuing the renewable energy section. In last session, we had a fair idea of the domestic capacity and everything. Today, we will be breaking it down further. Starting with understanding the installed capacity across the different renewable energy sources, starting with solar. So when we are looking at solar energy, as of now 150.3 gigawatt comes in from here, which is almost 55% of renewable energy. And a very important point to note here is it is a 53 times jump that we have seen as compared to 2014. But when we look at the next section, that is coming from wind energy, we clearly see a definite decrease in terms of contribution. Only 20% of renewable energy coming from wind, which is 56.1 gigawatt. Highest ever annual add has been seen in 2025-26. After that, we have large hydro, something on the similar lines as wind, 19% contribution to renewable energy, and as of now, we stand 5th globally. Once you look at other renewable energy sources such as biomass, we are having 11.75 gigawatt, 4% of renewable energy. A marginal growth has been seen in this particular energy section, and the reason you can use here is specifically the supply chain disruptions and bottleneck, mostly related to infra. Then we have another contribution coming from small hydro, which is 2% of renewable energy. Now let us move ahead and put this in a very clear pie chart where we clearly get to see what contribution is coming from where. If needed, you can use it as it is in your answers. Take a screenshot of it. Another important factor here, that if you are looking at solar itself, it is more than combined wind as well as hydro together. So when you see wind and hydro together, it is lesser than solar energy. So this is something that you can use for depiction. Now we will be moving ahead and adding more to understand that how annually we are seeing capacity additions. So over the years, special comparison you can see, and especially when we are looking at financial year 26, we are seeing highest ever non-fuel addition. The previous record was coming from the last year, but we are seeing a significant jump, and it is almost 2x. And furthermore, you can clearly see a major addition has contribution comes specifically from solar energy itself. Now coming to the states which are performing extremely well in terms of renewable energy, starting again with solar energy. If you look at the solar installed capacity, Rajasthan tops the chart with 41.01 gigawatt, then seconded by Gujarat, then Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. If we are looking at the second major renewable energy capacity in our country, that is wind power, we have Tamil Nadu topping the charts, then Gujarat, and at the third position we have two states here, which is Karnataka as well as Rajasthan. Two important states, Rajasthan and Gujarat, they together contribute more than 70%. So if we are looking at here, this is more than 70%, especially in terms of solar energy. And another prelims pointer to remember, Khavda, that is Gujarat, a hybrid park that is going to be the world's largest planned renewable energy park with contributions from solar energy as well as wind energy. So the last thing that we are picking up in terms of data today is going to be the global rankings. Few of them we have done in the previous session. It would be a revision. Third ranking in terms of total renewable energy capacity, we have just moved ahead of Brazil. China remains at position 1, USA at 2. Third in terms of solar PV installed capacity, China is at 1, USA stand at 2. We have recently surpassed Japan to become the third largest solar producer as well. Fourth, in terms of wind power installed capacity, China at first position, USA at second, Germany at third. And fifth, in terms of hydroelectric capacity, with major contribution coming from large hydro. Now that was all for today's data story. More additions coming up. That was all. Thank you so much.